What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be doing a semi-review of this new palette that I just got. Is it upside down? Of course it is. So this new palette, you can't really see, but it is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Listen, like when I saw these shadows and I saw like other people's reviews on these, I was like, I need to get them. This palette is like so cute. Like, well, like the cover of it is so cute. Also, don't mind my nails. I plan on getting them done like this week. I got some more brushes. I got some lashes. I got this eyeshadow primer. Y'all can't really see because it don't want y'all to see. Whatever, just know I got it. I got a new lip gloss or lip whatever. I actually got that on now, and then I bought some more eyebrow pomade. I always use the same thing, like, but this time I actually got a shade darker, I think. This is in the shade Ebony. I normally get I normally get dark brown, but I got Ebony this time. Let's like get straight into this palette, like, cause that is why I'm here, and that's probably why you're here, because you saw that thumbnail. Look how freaking bright. Wait, I feel like the colors are kind of like off because of the light, how bright the light is, but yeah, this is it. If y'all haven't seen my video on how I made my diva ring light, make sure y'all go check that out, because yeah, it was lit. I'm about to practice one eye like off camera, and then I'm gonna get back on camera and show y'all like how I did the colors and everything. So be right back. I just want to show y'all real quick, like look at these. You can't really see because like my ring light is just so bright. But look how shiny these brushes are. I don't know why I just did that, but yeah.
on the beat, bite me, on the beat, bitches wanna go bite me, on the beat, bite me, oh come on, bitch, you wanna